In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for social media. By the end, you'll have a ready-to-use social media planner board that helps you organize your posts, track status, and stay on top of your content calendar. Let's start inside your Monday.com account. On the left-hand side, look for the workspace where you want your social media planning board to live. Next to the workspace name, you'll see a small plus sign. This is where you add new items to that workspace. Go ahead and click the plus sign. Think of this as telling Monday.com, I want to create something new in this workspace. When you click that plus sign, a small menu will appear with several options, like creating a new folder, a new doc, or a new board. For social media planning, we want a board because boards are where you organize tasks, posts, deadlines, and owners. So from that menu, click on Board. This will open up the options for creating a new board. Now, instead of starting completely from scratch, we're going to save time by using one of Monday.com's built-in templates. On the screen where you're creating the new board, look for the option that says Start with Template. Click on that. Using a template is helpful because it comes pre-structured with columns and example items tailored for a specific purpose, in this case, social media management. Once you click to start with a template, you'll be taken to the template center. At the top, you should see a search bar. In that search bar, type social media. This will filter the available templates and show you anything related to social media workflows. This step makes it much easier than scrolling through a long list of unrelated templates. After searching, look for the template called Social Media Planner. This template is designed specifically to help you schedule posts, assign them to team members, and track their progress from idea to published content. Click on Social Media Planner to open its details page. Here you can quickly preview what the board will look like and the columns it includes. When you're ready to use it, find the button that says Use Template and click it. Monday.com will then create a new board in your chosen workspace based on that social media planner structure. From there, you can rename the board, adjust columns, and start adding your own posts, dates, and statuses to manage your social media content efficiently.